What if I told you there is a website where you can earn money by completing simple online tasks from your phone or laptop? Would you watch this video to the end? Please understand that this is not a get rich quick scheme and it will make you a millionaire overnight. But for people looking for a legitimate way to earn extra income online, this platform is worth checking out. And today we're going to be talking about this platform that allow users from many countries, including people from Nigeria, India, Ghana, US, anywhere you are. It allows users from different countries. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, and also follow us on our Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the comment section so that you can see what we do there because we are back fully. Now, let's get into this fully. This is an online platform where companies need help with tasks that computers and AI systems cannot do accurately. Now, where you come in here is to do these tasks as human. Now, example of these tasks are number one, comparing images, categorizing content, evaluating search results, checking maps and locations, and then verifying information. And in exchange for completing these tasks, you get paid for doing that. The amount you earn depends on the type of tasks you are doing. I need you to understand that. And also your accuracy and the number of tasks available for you. Now, how do you get started doing this? It's simple. You're going to go to this page that I'm showing you here now. Now, when you come to this page, all you need to do is just click on register. Okay, just click on register, and then when you click on register, it's going to bring you down to the register page. But there are actually 3 steps that you just need to follow. You visit the website, you complete your profile information, and then you take any available training, and then you begin completing tasks. Now, once it brings you down to this page, you're going to choose how you want to sign up with. Is it with Google or is it with, just choose whichever one that is best for you. But I would recommend you go for Google. Okay, go with Google. I'll just click on continue with Google. And then once you continue with Google, it's going to take you down to where you can select the email address that you want to sign up with. And then once you select the email address, then it will allow you, it will ask you to give it permission. And then once you give it permission, it will ask you to continue. And then once you continue, it will take you down to the page, the registration page, where you can now fill in the details. And then after you fill in the details, you are good to go. Now, once you fill in the details of everything, then you are going to take the qualification test. They're going to actually test you to know if you have been doing any online or whatever, but understand that the text is not that difficult. Also, as your accuracy improves, you may gain access to more opportunities. Remember, quality is more important here. So rushing tasks cannot reduce your rating and limit future opportunities. So therefore, do not rush through tasks. Make sure that you take your time to do tasks. Okay, once you start getting tasks to do. Now, what kind of tasks will you do? What kind of tasks are available on this website? Okay, so the kind of tasks that are available on this website, and by the way, the name of this website is Toloka AI. That's the name of this website, Toloka AI. Now, the kind of tasks that are available here, it just depends on uh, what they show you, but majorly might be asked to determine whether an image matches a description or evaluate whether a search result is useful or even identify objects in pictures, check information accuracy, review short pieces of content, just like that. All those simple text tags. Now, are you going to see there are different people who are already in this platform and are doing some jobs? You're going to see different people from different locations, okay? Different people from different locations. You're going to see someone from US, someone from, still US, Kenya. You're going to see them, right? Argentina, and then we have Spain, we have Mexico, and then we have Peru. I mean, different countries, okay? Now, different countries, Nigeria, you're going to see Nigeria here, okay? Kenya again, and then Argentina again. So most tasks are actually straightforward and can often be completed in just a few minutes. But the key here is to be consistent, okay? That's the key. If you actually want to get something out of this, you want to be consistent because it's not going to happen overnight. Like I said earlier, this is not a get-rich-quick platform. It's not a platform that's going to make you rich overnight because you're going to be needing to be consistent in doing the tasks. First of all, make sure you're successfully registered. Now, how much can you possibly earn here? One of the most common questions is usually how much can I make? That's one of the most common questions people ask when it comes to this kind of online tasks. The truth is that earnings vary significantly because there is no stamp when it comes to how much you can earn. I cannot tell you that you're going to earn so amount. It varies depending on your location, depending on the kind of tax that are given to you, and then the time invested, and then of course accuracy and qualification. This platform should be viewed as a way to earn extra income rather than a guaranteed full-time salary. Okay, it's just like an extra income platform. You're not going to be getting a full-time salary work here. No, just simple tasks that you can do using your part-time to get something out of it. Okay, and always be cautious of anyone promising you specific earnings because results differ for every user. Please, it's important. Okay, nobody's promising you anything, and if anybody promises you anything, please do not listen to them. But register on this platform, register, and then start to do this. Now, what are the tips that you can actually increase your earnings? Now, here are number one is you're going to be reading the instruction carefully before starting the task. It's very important, please. Follow the instructions. Now, if you look down, you're going to see a place that says frequently asked questions. You're going to see all that. Now, make sure that you go through these frequently asked questions so that you can see some of the things that people are asking, so that when you start getting tasks, you'll be cleared. Number two is you're going to be focusing on accuracy instead of speed. So even if you just do tasks do a day, but as long as you do those tasks very well, it's still better. And then you're going to complete qualification tests whenever possible. Okay. And fourthly, you're going to check the platform regularly for new tasks. Make sure you register and complete up. Okay. I personally am going to register after this video and complete up my registration and then start this task, right? Because I too, I want to make some extra income using the platform too. And then the number five is to maintain high quality rating. That's what you're going to be doing. Now, remember that consistency is very important when it comes to working with platforms like this. You need to be consistent. And finally, Toloka is one of the several platforms that allow people to earn money online by completing digital tasks. Okay. Now, it's not a shortcut to wealth. It's not at all. It can be a useful option for those looking to learn about online work and earn additional income. All right. Now, if you have ever used Toloka, let us know in the comment section. Just put it, I have used it. Okay. And let us know your experience. And if this video is also helpful to you, please hit the like button and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Yeah, I'm going to be updating you on my own result, on my personal result when it comes to this platform. Like I said, I haven't tried it. I came across it as one of the legit platforms to earn money online, but not a get rich quick scheme. It's not going to make you wealthy overnight. No, you need consistency and you need hard work to get it done. Okay, guys. Thanks, guys. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.